How to request special assistance on Aegean Airlines. Hello everyone. In this video, you would learn how you can request special assistance on Aegean Airlines and how do you do so. The major way is by putting a call across to the customer service. All right. And how do you do so? First of all, log in into your Aegean Airlines account and then scroll down to check out the page. All right. You can see cool stuff on Aegean Airlines. Then once you can see this, the next thing to do is to move to the top part of the screen where you can see the help and contact option. Once you can see this, just go ahead and click on it. All right. So after clicking on help and contact, you'll be taken to the help center. On this page, you can see the option, how can we help you? Then the next one will be to scroll down. All right. And then you can either make use of the email option or scroll down until you can see the contact numbers. And then, yeah, you can see the telephone number. Just go ahead, copy this number and then call the number. Or before then, by the right side, you can see the country and the country code for the number. So to change the country, just select this and then you'll be asked to select a country where the customer services are available. All right, you can just type out your country, and then if there are no matches, you can then go ahead and select on that country that is close by that you can easily put a call across to. Now, after selecting that country, you can see that the number has changed. All right, and if you prefer this number to the other ones, just select the number, call the number, and then make your request about the flight that you're about to book or that you've booked already, and then those requests to be taken into notes. All right, and that thing is by making use of the email. All right, you can just go ahead and click on contact us, and then you'll be taken to the emails page where you can lodge your complaint, request for special assistance, and you will be good to go. So this is how you can go about it. Very simple, right? Yeah, this is how you can request make special requests on Aegean Airlines. Thanks for watching and have a good day.